Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the beginning of the Tech Travel Geeks coverage of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, or the coverage of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, or the coverage of the Samsung Galaxy Zeta Flip 6. Pick your pronunciation. Either way, this is a foldable smartphone from Samsung in its 6th generation, and I've decided that this is the time I start using foldable smartphones. Now, just a bit of clarity, there's been a lot of scandal in the tech YouTube world and discussions about what constitutes reviews and coverage. Tech Travel Geeks have not taken any sponsorship for this video. We purchased this device with our own pocket money, and I purchased this as part of a bundle with the foldable smartphone, a set of Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, a Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2, and a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So this pretty much guarantees you with many videos covering Samsung Galaxy products in 2024 and beyond. So, as I said, this is the unboxing where I take the device out of the box. And if you want to see more of our coverage of Samsung and any other devices we think make the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, packaging is pretty straightforward. It's a nice sort of not quite glossy, not quite matte box. It's soft to the touch. We have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 here depicted on it, and the writing about that. There is an embossed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 logo at the side with a little pass-through there at the side. There's the usual stuff here and a Samsung logo on this side of the box embossed. So really premium packaging. So I'm going to break the seals. As we've seen with many other smartphones over the last few years, we've moved away from cellophane, the reduction in plastic, and easily accessible packaging. You can see I just pulled these these pull tabs off and the box opened up. So what do you get in the box? First thing, you get another box that holds the phone in place with the Samsung logo on it. And you can then see that we have the phone itself. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, that's how I've chosen to call it. I'm going to put this down for a moment and we'll see what else is in the box. It looks as if there's not much, because this is the shallow part of the box, and I'm not seeing much. Yeah, that's odd. There is nothing else on that side of the box. The bit of cardboard that was holding everything in place with the phone seems to actually contain something. And if I pull it out, yes, it has a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So that's courage for you there. A Samsung Quick Start Guide, which I will be sure to read, as well as further information cards in multiple languages, and a statement of compliance. So a little bit of documentation, nothing else apart from these few pieces of cardboard, and what was holding the documentation in place has my pokey tool for inserting SIM cards, in this case nano SIM cards, into the device. So it's got a pokey tool, a cable, and the phone. Okay then, let's have a quick look at the phone. I'll go through the main specifications as it comes out of the box. So yeah, this is the phone. It feels like a normal smartphone the way it comes out of the box. It's unfolded. It has a plastic cover on the front screen. I'll just take that off. And it has a little sticker here. We'll take that off. And there is a cardboard cover for the screen itself. So as you can see, this is the Samsung Z Fold 6. The display, the inner display, the foldable one, is an AMOLED display with HDR capabilities. It's a 6.7-inch diagonal screen that is, as I've seen it in shops, very attractive. The front screen on the other side is the secondary one, and this is a lower resolution, more basic one, which is your cover screen. But we'll cover all that in the setup video and how I set up the device. On the side here you have the power button with a fingerprint sensor, which is very, very useful, and a volume rocker. The SIM tray is on the left hand side of the device. At the bottom you have that USB Type-C port, 2 microphone holes and a speaker, and at the top you have another 2 microphone holes. And here we can see the cameras. There is 2 cameras on the back. The main one is a 50 megapixel camera, and the secondary one is a 12 megapixel one. We'll do a dedicated video about how I'm finding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip camera. But now for my first fold of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip or Z Flip 6. There you go. When it's closed, you can see that hinge with the Samsung logo on it. And first impressions of the hardware, it's a matte finish on the metal edges of the phone and a matte finish on the back. It feels really nice, soft to the touch. Now, this is not exactly how I'll be using it in day-to-day use whilst traveling next week. I have already purchased on Amazon UK a case for it, and I'll do a dedicated video about the case and screen protector and setting up the smartphone with that. But before I do that, I'll set up the actual Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and you'll be able to watch that video here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Let's just quickly long press the power button and see what this is all about. No power. Maybe I didn't press it long enough. Here we go. So Samsung Galaxy logo, secured by Knox. And at the same time we have the Samsung Galaxy logo on the outer screen, secured by Knox. So powered by Android. So this is Android 14, if I'm not mistaken, out of the box with Samsung's One UI. There you go, you get to see the screen and that selfie camera in the middle. But as I said, I will be setting this up in a separate, longer video where I'll go through the setup of the Samsung Z Flip. Please ensure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on to see our coverage of the Samsung Z Flip and all the other accessories and gadgets that I purchased with this. We also have the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in for review. I've purchased that with my own pocket money as well. So plenty of content coming up on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Anyway, I'll leave you at this and hope to see you soon. Thanks, bye.